Hey everybody, what is up, and welcome back to part 6 of the Honda Shadow Bobber build. Today is unfortunately the last part of the video, or of the series. It's kind of exciting, it's kind of not, it's kind of sad, but
we got one more. We're gonna make a cool video about the bike.
Yeah, that's a bonus that you guys didn't know you were getting. Like the Corvette video you guys might have seen before, we're actually gonna do a same video, the same kind of video I'd say, for the bike. It's gonna look really good, I think.
Yeah, we got George Lucas directing it.
Yeah,
it's gonna turn out good.
Steven Spielberg, they're getting together. It's gonna look really good. We've actually had really nice weather down here in Florida. I think today it's kind of muggy and overcast, but it's still mid 80s, so we can't complain.
Yeah.
But today, the last video,
what are we doing?
We're gonna take the LED headlight off the front and paint it red. So we went to O'Reilly's and we bought some, what do they call it? Nightshade?
VHD nightshades.
Yeah, so we're gonna spray paint that LED light we had on the front. It wasn't very bright, so we bought those new ones, as you guys know. We're gonna put it on the back, make it the brake light, so hopefully that turns out good. We got a new blinker switch. That's exciting. I'm tired of dealing with that thing, I'll be honest.
Yeah.
But we got a new one. It's silver, so we're gonna try and take some of the internals out. Put it in the black one we got. That way it matches the handlebars and the rest of the bike. And we're also going to put the license plate back on, which is, I think, the first thing we took off, believe it or not.
It is. So it's finally going back on. So
we got some exciting stuff. Stick with us, and we'll get you back.
Nick previously talked about we're almost done with the bobber build. If you guys stick around, our next video series is going to be a 351 Windsor swap in this Fox body Mustang right here. And we just got the engine bay done. We'll show you guys videos of us working on that later, but it is done now. But that's just a little taste of what we're working with right now. So if you guys like our series, or if you're more of a car person, check out our next video series. It's going to be about the Fox body.
If you like what we're doing, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to it.
Yeah. Alright guys, light is off and we're ready to paint. We're going to go ahead and use VHD nightshades, like we were talking about earlier. Should do the job for a brake light. We're going to go ahead and spray it on the old headlight and find a place to mount it in the back. We're going to get this taped up, and whenever we're done, we'll do a little time lapse of us painting it so you guys can check it out. We got this bad boy taped up. He's ready to paint. Alright Nick, explain to us what's going on, man. What's the situation?
Alright, so I got the old light off, I got the old bracket off. Luckily it came off pretty well, even though we had Loctite on it.
Yeah, what if he did that?
Yeah, right. But now we're just double checking to see if this will thread in. It's a little big, not gonna lie.
Is that a different bolt?
No, that's the original. That's the bolt that came with the bigger one.
Oh, it's because the Loctite's still in the threads, kind of?
Yeah, so we can use this old one and use the big one on the back when we have to cut new threads anyways.
Heck yeah.
So we'll just use the same one from the front.
We're just used to using small ones.
Yeah, just checking. It's a little tight, but it's that Loctite's still in there, so This is the bolt that came out of it. So this is.
Let's see that new headlight, dude.
It's the same size. It's the same bolt.
Let's see that new shiner. God, that is nice.
Yeah, she's gonna be real nice.
Dude, we're gonna get people suntans going on the road.
That's what we're hoping.
Yeah.
They'll at least see us coming, so we won't be illegal.
That's right. So how's this bracket mount out, dude?
So the way it works is they give you this track, and they put these, I don't know if you guys can see them, but these nuts are already in there. You take this bracket and you put it like this, and you line up those nuts with the thing, and you put bolts through it. It's kind of hard to explain without seeing it. But the thing we were worried about was, can we use this same hole so that we don't have to, you know, redo the hole, cutting in, have a giant hole in the front of the bike. Luckily, I think with the angle attack you need for a light for the bike and like to see the road, I think we're gonna be all right. We're hoping to get this mounted on, working before tonight, so we can test it out here when it gets dark. Yeah, so we'll let you know how it goes.
We're gonna make it happen.
Make it happen.
You excited? I'm excited. Let's do it. We're my lazy boy over here real quick.
So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to clear out some of this Loctite that's dried in these threads. That way when we put the new bolt in, it just threads in real nice.
Put some like solvent on there or something?
Well, it's coming out.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, see? Coming out.
Okay.
Just trying to clear up some of those threads, because they're, after doing some looking, these bolts are actually the same kind. From the old light to the new light, so.
It's pretty clean now.
Yeah. There's still a little gunk in there, but I think we'll be alright. It's going in and out pretty smooth, so.
Heck yeah.
So the first step, I think, is to put this bracket on, honestly. And really just hope it goes on there really well.
That's what we can hope for.
Yeah, because obviously we've never installed this kind of light before with this kind of a bracket.
I wonder if it's gonna just fry that fuse
What fuse?
for the headlight.
We have bigger fuses.
Bright. Oh yeah,
We have bigger
we can
fuses.
throw a bigger one in there.
We were tired of going to O'Reilly's to get new fuses, so we just bought a bunch of the same, or with different amperages, so we didn't have to worry about that anymore. Same hole as the old one. It's gonna sit a little lower, but we're not too worried about that. I think it looks pretty good. So now McConnell's gonna come around and actually mount the light up.
Oh, am I? Alright guys, we just got done mounting the headlight up. It's all wired up and it looks awesome. Nick, go ahead and show him, man.
Alright, here we go.
Give him that suntan. Ooh! That thing is bright, man. You guys probably can't see it well in the video, but I can barely look at it.
See if you can see the wall, where how bright it is.
Yeah, and that's with the sunshine on the wall. Yeah, that one looks beefy on there, dude.
Yeah, I think it looks really good, honestly. I think even though we're kind of going for that old school look, I think even it makes it look like even more old school in a weird way. But
it's like old school, modern,
right, like
retro.
Right.
I don't know how to explain
like
it.
they went over the top way back when.
Yeah, it's some kind of weird style. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Yeah.
But we're all about it, whatever it is. So.
Yeah. So what are we doing next, man?
Yeah. So next we got where to go. Here it is. So we ordered a brand new switch assembly, right? So this is everything that comes with the turn signal, the horn, and your lights, right? So we were thinking, man, do we really want to rewire all of this? Because these wires on the old switch, they go down and under the tank. So that's like at least a day's worth of stuff to take apart the bike, run all these new ones. So we thought, well, actually McConnell came up with a pretty good idea. Why not just pop out all these internals, believe it or not, we're actually pretty familiar with the internals of this thing because we've taken the old one apart like 6 or 7 times. So we're gonna take the new one apart. I know some people are probably, think that's kind of dumb, but the old one matches the paint scheme. The wires are already run, and we're pretty familiar with taking the parts apart. So we're gonna take this out, put them in the old one, and hopefully it works like a dream. So we'll let you know when we're done. Alright everybody, we are back and we've got all the internals changed over. Let McConnell show you how it's working so much better this time. It's kind of crazy, honestly.
Got ourselves a working, all the blinkers are working.
Ooh.
It's working good now. Man.
And even pushing it forward to reset it is working too.
Yeah.
Which is crazy. So
Man.
none of that worked before, and it only took us like 3 minutes instead of the whole day it would have taken us to change out the whole switch. So we're happy with it. Actually, we're pretty dang happy with it, I'll be honest.
Alright guys, we were about to start on the filler panel, but we were talking, and when we originally installed these battery covers, we got one of them up here, sitting right there. We used self-tappers to put it in, and when we were first doing it, we're like, we'll try this out, see if it fits. The self-tappers worked for a while, but we kept having to take them off and put them back on again. And they were kind of popping out when we were riding it. So we decided, hey, let's go ahead and tap the frame and buy some hardware and get them in there a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and run up to Ace and grab the proper hardware, and also a hardware for the filler panel. So we're gonna take a trip up there real quick. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we just got back from Ace Hardware. You saw us doing that. We're going to go ahead and tap the frame real quick and install these panels. These bad boys right here, and we'll show you when it's done. Alright guys, Nick just got the brake light wired up. Looks pretty good. You wanna go and show him, man? Hit that brake switch. Ooh. Nice. Go ahead and hit it again. Yeah, I like that. Cool. Alright, now that the brake light's done, we're gonna go ahead and start on fixing this.
Don't you wanna show him your
Oh yeah, man, we went ahead and put these stickers on here. Give the bike a little more style. American flag on a Japanese bike. We just had to do it to him.
American flag?
We just had to do it to him. Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's a couple days later and I was just inside editing our video and realized we didn't shoot an outro. So I just want to let y'all know that we did finish the bike. After we got the taillight on, we put those panels on, we re-threaded them. The bike looked good. I have some pictures here for you that you can look at that we took down at the beach in Destin after we got the bike finished. We did actually sell the bike, as you can see. The spot where the bike is now empty. We did actually make quite a bit of money on it. We were pretty happy with how much profit we made on the bike. It was more than we originally thought we would, so that's good. We're currently on the search for something else to do. But I do want to let you know again, like we stated at the beginning of the video, that we are about to start the Fox body. It's pretty exciting stuff. So yeah, stick with us. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.